Yas, clown vibes. Okay. Hi guys, my name's Andrea and welcome to BarbiePunk. Today I have on a decora makeup look, but we are actually reviewing the Jawbreaker palette. I thought I'd put a quick insert in this video of what the decora look came out like. So this is it with the makeup. Also, if you are new here, I don't normally do makeup videos because I'm not a makeup artist. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of figuring it out. I don't buy makeup that often. I do, however, buy clothes a lot. So if you want to see some alternative fashion, some kawaii stuff, some goth stuff, some punk stuff, some mix and matching, just extraness, all around extraness, please subscribe down below and hit the bell to know when I post. Let's be weird and let's get into this guy. All right, so we're just gonna be doing my eyes mostly today. I have my base done, my eyebrows done. Let me show you what I bought. So I just bought these three things. The collection was sold out on Jeffree Star's website, so I just ordered it from Morphe and it was like no problem. It got here in 3 days. So the infamous Jawbreaker palette. Here it is. We all know I already opened it because I needed to. I was too excited to gawk at the colors, but the outside package is this white. The inside is this beautiful metallic pink with all the splotches all over it. I'm so weak. I don't need more rainbow makeup, but I bought this. So it looks like this. Wow. Every once in a while you see my giant ring light. At some point I'll get better lighting, but until then, ring light glare. You open it up. Cha-chong! There are all the colors. They're so beautiful. I'm very excited to swatch them for you. So I'm just gonna swatch these real quick and I'll get back to you. So here we have all the swatches. Let's just read out the names to you. We have Virgin, a Good Morning, Bubblegum, Wow, Suck, Licorice, that's the first row. We have Cute, Gumdrop, Snack, Brain Freeze, and Jawbreaker. That's the second row. We have And What? Bam, 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 bam. Orange Juice, Sour, Soaked, Raspberry, and Cotton Candy, third row. And then we have Lemon Drop, Bite Me, Cherry Wet, Tasty, Cone, and Delicious, fourth row. So these went on beautifully. I think that I had the most trouble with like these first 4. They were a little bit chalky, but that just happens with like lighter colors like these. So these first 2, it took me a couple swipes to get to the opacity that they are. Yellows are always tricky, but like the rest of them went on surprisingly well. I think I had to do a couple swipes on this blue one. I might have had to do a couple swipes on this red guy, but amazingly, some of these pastel colors went on like so smoothly. And then I'm psyched about these metallic colors. Like, they're so lovely. This orange one, like orange is my least favorite color, but I'm so excited for this orange juice color. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you will have seen that I already like have been practicing a Pride look, but I'm probably gonna replace the makeup that I was using with some of these colors. My fingers are a little bit stained from the red ones. I haven't used like a makeup wipe on them yet, but like just from like rubbing them off on a paper towel, that red is sticking on there. And so I'm just gonna see how they perform on the eyes. I'm not like a great reviewer, so if you just wanna chill with me while I do some makeup, that's what this video is. I'm not a makeup artist, I'm not super creative. I'm probably just gonna do a pastel rainbow eye, especially because I'm doing this for my decora look later. So, gimme. So I think that the pastels performed beautifully on their own, but I'm gonna give them their best chance. So I'm gonna use this sad, decrepit, broken little jumbo eye pencil in milk. Just a white base to just, you know, we wanna make them pop. So I'm just gonna blend that out with my finger. So I'm gonna start with Wow, which is the yellow color, and put that on kind of the inner corner here. This eye hates me. It loves to cry off makeup, so if that starts to happen, it's just the beauty of my eye. So then I'm gonna go into, oh my god, I'm obsessed with this color though. It's like a neon coral color. I don't think you can tell on camera, but it's beautiful. And then I'm gonna go in with Bubblegum, which is the pastel pink. And then I'm gonna take Gumdrop, which is the pastel like lavender lilac color. We're gonna put it on the outer corner and then smudge it onto the bottom. Just blend this out a bit so it doesn't bother you the whole time. Okay, then we're gonna take Brain Freeze and go right next to that. That one's a little dusty. And then Cute. Right next to you. I'm actually gonna take Cone to help it blend out just a little bit. How do we feel? Did I do it? I'm actually gonna put a little bit of Sour right in the green area, just to make it a little bit more green. There, is that a rainbow? Did we do it? Did we accomplish? Have we accomplished? No, we're just gonna leave it alone. We're gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna do my other eye and eyeliner and eyelashes off camera, and then we're gonna look at some other things. Okay? Okay. All right. Other side done. Mascara, lashes, liner done. I'm actually gonna take Jawbreaker and I'm gonna pop that into my inner corner real quick. And then I'm gonna also take it under my brow bone. Next, I'm gonna show you this. This is not part of the Jawbreaker summer collection, but it's my first ever Jeffree Star highlighter, so I thought I'd show it to you. This is in Siberian Gold. It's gigantic. All of my other highlighters are like, dink, compared to this. So we got this boy. He's pink, the favorite color. You can't tell because it looks like I just have blue hair right now. The mirror is gigantic. Here's the highlighter. So I'm just gonna take him, a little highlighter brush, dip on into him real quick. And not seeing a whole lot on this one. Honestly, I was hoping for more from Jeffree highlighter. I feel like this one is not the best just compared to the other ones that I've seen from Jeffree. I feel like this one might not be a great representation. Here's a little arm swatch. There he is. If you can see, this is what's left over from my swatches earlier. Basically all the reds kind of stained, which is pretty normal for makeup. All my other like red tones, pink tones tend to like just leave a little stain, which is unfortunate, but I think that just has to do with like the pigment that they have to use for it. So that little shine right here is the highlighter, but for some reason on my face, it's not doing the most, which is a little bit upsetting. Yeah, it's not doing a nice shing, 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 which is what I was expecting. So, a little bit disappointed in Siberian gold. Maybe I should have done a different color. If you have Jeffree Star highlighters and have one that you recommend, put it in the comments, because not loving this one personally. Maybe I'm too light for it. Maybe this one is a dud, but it's just not working for me. Maybe I could like pack it on and use it as an eyeshadow or something, but womp womp. And the last thing that I got is one of his liquid lips. Again, this is my first ever purchase from anything Jeffree. Like, I needed to get that Jawbreaker palette and I used it as an excuse to buy a couple more things. So I got the color Yes Ma'am, and it comes in this beautiful like neon yellow green packaging, and here it is. I bought it because I don't have a neon pink in my collection for some reason, and then when I saw this one, I was like, yes ma'am. So we're gonna put this on my lips. Unscented, I guess, or kind of just smells like lip stuff. That color is beautiful. You can't, it's not showing up as neon on camera as it is in person, but that is neon. Oh, we already got a dog hair. I'm such a problem. So that's one pass. I can actually still see some of my natural lip color underneath that, so I might go for one more pass, like a little half pass. I think because it's a neon, it had a little bit of trouble. Like, it's a little bit streaky, not like the smoothest application I've ever had from a liquid lipstick, but the formula feels really comfortable and I really love the color. So I'm sure that some of the non-neons from Jeffree Star are really like killing it. It's good, like from there you can't even tell, but like since I'm looking like way up close, like So this would be an excellent place to stop if you were extra but not extra, but on this channel we extra, so I'm gonna continue and make my face a little more decora. All right, let's be like a little bit extra right now. So we're gonna take bubblegum again, and I'm gonna use my blush brush, and we're gonna go like all the way across our face with this. I'm actually gonna go into fuck as well and do the same thing. We're gonna be really bright across our nosies. Oh no, oh no. We've made some choices right now. We've made some choices. All right. That really amped it up. Okay. Gotta be extra when you're doing a decora look, okay? Oh shit. Snack is amazing for a highlight. Let's just plump that on. Then I'm gonna take some glitter. We're gonna bring it under our eyes. I like to put my glitter right here. I also really wanna do some little stars. I should have gone and bought some stickers, but I didn't because I'm a dum-dum. So we're just gonna put a bunch of stars underneath my eye here. I'll just get you when I'm done. All right, we got all of our little stars on. And now, we gotta get a little band-aid across our nose. JoJo and her Bobos. I think we're gonna do this one. Let's open her up and see. Oh my gosh. Oh, is that too big? Oof, 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 that's too big, I feel like. Oh, that's so sad. Okay, all right, let's look at her other Bobos here. Just opening up all these Band-Aids. That's so upsetting. All right, this is cute. What do you think? Good little decora look. I think this will be the makeup look, and then you will see the rest of the like decora stuff in the decora video. So you will have seen it already, the final look, but this is gonna be the makeup look for now. This is the face look for now. These band-aids aren't sticking very well. So here's the look. We got a little simple pastel rainbow on the eyes. We got some stars. We got the blush going all the way across and a little pink lip. Just wanted to put a quick insert of what the decora look came out like. So, boom, boom. And that is it for now, I think. Let me know what you think of the collection. I really enjoyed it. The highlighter was not for me, sadly, so let me know if there's one that you really love from Jeffree Star that I should check out. I don't think that I'm the best makeup artist, but if I ever have a look on that you're like, oh my god, how'd you do that? Let me know and I will try to do some sort of tutorial or get ready with me with it. But yeah, that's all. Don't forget to like it, subscribe it, share it, bop it, twist it, pass it, and don't ask questions, just go with it.